In a construction site, there are a lot of machine will be used. Machines such as the piling machine, tower crane, pumps, and much more. These machines are commonly used in construction site. However, construction site usually have little to no access to electricity. Therefore, generators are used up to power up the construction site, either for the machine, lighting purpose or other usage. Mega Genset Malaysia can provide reliable generator for the construction site. Our generator is canopy type, therefore it is silent when it is operating. Our genset also comes with smart controller, which makes it very easy to control and user-friendly. Other than that, we have two additional features. The first feature is the automatic transfer switch. It can connect to power source and switch to other if one fails. It is possible that the operation hour for construction site is more than 12 hours. Our genset have about 12 hours of maximum operation hour, but by connecting two genset into the ATS, 24 hours of electricity generation is possible. While one is generating electricity, the other will be resting. The next additional feature is the oversight module. It is an application that is developed by our team. Both iOS and Android can access to it. This application is capable of tracking the genset, while also providing the information of the genset, such as the performance of the genset. For more information, please contact us through the number shown, email us, or visit us through www.genset.com.my.